What's up, my fellow traders? I hope you all had a nice week and just want to give you a very quick update on natural gas, gold, crude oil. So let's start our analysis with natural gas. First, so after a successful trade we got right here, we took this Fibonacci trade on Friday, and after our take profit hit, what to expect next from natural gas. So if you remember, I take pullback trades between my zones. So we got these zones right above here as a resistance and right below here as a support zone. And between that, I take pullback trades. And if you remember from my previous video, I was expecting a pullback between this zone. As you can see, we got a nice pullback, but looking at the ATR, I expect a further pullback. We might get a few more candles and we can get a touch of 20 EMA, or we can even get a touch of this pink zone, which is 5.330 and goes down to 5.199. Once we get a pullback, got a correction of the RSI as well. Once we get that, I will look for an engulfing entry reason only from this area, and whatever the ATR is telling us, we will take trades accordingly. Same goes with capital.com. It's in between the zones, and once you get a pullback, let me quickly go through that as well. So as you can see, we are getting a pullback right here. Once we get a hit of 20 EMA, or we can get this current candle closes right here. If we have this current candle closes right here at 5.625, then we can expect a 1 ATR target above and 1 ATR below, or we can get a pullback between this pink zone again 5.331 and goes down to 5.220. Only take bullish trades from this zone as we are above 50 and 20 EMA. Let's quickly check crude oil. So what a trade we got here, and let me show you how we took this trade last time. This nice head and shoulder pattern, got a head and shoulder pattern. We already got a retest done of this pattern right here. If we get a rejection here and we get a next pin bar here, or a next engulfing candle here followed by a red candle, then we can take short trades from this zone. So it's perfect. So as you can see, we got this nice chart pattern, head and shoulder pattern, and once I get this pattern, I enter my trade accordingly, and I expect some nice bearish move from this sort of pattern. And if you see right here, we got this nice 25% candle here, and even if you look 180 or below and above, the target has been hit easily. I was managing my position by moving my stop loss to break even, and it's still running. So this is how I take my head and shoulder pattern trades. And as you can see, the market is below 50 EMA. We can expect a push up and push back down from this zone as we are below 50 EMA. So that's the power of taking an entry with an entry condition. Let's quickly check gold. Gold is now broken below the level of major structure support. Now will act as a level of resistance. As you can see, it's below 50 EMA, and I can expect a retest of this zone and take an entry with an entry reason from this zone. This zone is from 1944 and goes up to 1951. So from this zone, between this zone, I will look for short trades only once we get an entry reason. If we do not get any sort of entry reason, and if we break above this zone, I will look for long trades only. That's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.